Welcome to another episode on our channel. Primarily, I like to do customization of 1/6 scale figures, but every so often I'll unbox something. I saw this figure the other day on eBay and I said, wow, this is a cool looking figure. It's Django from Django Unchained, made by Present Toys, and I thought it looks awesome. Then I decided to watch the trailer of the movie and I told myself, that looks awesome. I want to see the movie now. So I went ahead and got this figure. I do have the head of Christoph Waltz, who portrays Dr. King Schultz. And I know I can get a Leonardo DiCaprio head that, with a little modification, will look like Calvin Candie. So that's what I intend to do. So we'll pause and I'll get situated to open up this box. This box came in almost pristine condition. There is just the tiniest of little dings on the end here, but it's hardly noticeable. Anyway, I just wish it was in the back. Like I always say, I just wish it was in the back, and it's never in the back except on rare occasions. So this is like a shoebox. It's longer than most boxes and skinnier. Again, made by Present Toys. So there is foam at the top. Okay. So, yeah, this, I can tell, really looks good. So here is Jamie Foxx. Get his head up a little bit more. This is like a corduroy jacket and brown pants and boots. He's got his holster, a scarf. He comes with a hat. I heard that they wanted to get the hat to look like Little Joe on Ponderosa. Is that right? Bonanza? One of those shows. So they actually got the hat maker who did the hats for Little Joe to make this hat. That's just an interesting tidbit of history. So that's a cool hat. And he comes also with sunglasses, which wouldn't have been possible back then. So a little artistic freedom. He's got several sets of hands. One is a trigger finger, one's a gloved hand that's relaxed. He has, well, that's interesting. I didn't notice that at first. He has two relaxed hands, one trigger hand, I should say, and another relaxed hand, but they actually are gloved. I mean, this is leather-like material over the hands. That's very interesting. So this is just more resin-like. So relaxed, trigger finger, relaxed. That looks like more of a gripping, slightly gripping hand. And then we've got two fisted hands. Actually, not quite fisted completely. There's openings, so things can be held. We've got a part of the stand, and we have the stand itself. That's a pretty cool picture on here. All right. Dare I try to get it in there? It went in there very easy. I'm surprised. All right, and then we have a a weapon. Doesn't it move? Oh, it does. The cylinder moves, but the hammer does not. Actually, I don't want to try it too hard for fear of breaking it. So it actually comes with more than I thought it would. I don't think there's anything else underneath. Nope. Okay. So we'll pause now and get him situated in a stand, on a stand. My husband says this is a Remington cap and ball revolver. I won't argue with him this time. So, yeah, he looks good. Now, again, artistic license, they didn't exist back then, sunglasses, but he does wear them in the movie. So let's see what we can do here in terms of putting them on. It actually gives him an extra cool look, I think. Anyway, we'll pause now and get him on a turn tray so you can see him from different sides. Okay, we'll do a full 360 on him. I just love the jacket. This is very unusual to see this kind of material used on 1/6 scale figures, but it appears true to the movie. So we'll pause now and get some tighter close-ups here. We'll just do side to side here. And I'll move it a little bit more so you can see the gun a bit better. There you go. There you go. And we'll get a very tight close-up of his face with and without his glasses. Here he is with his glasses off. There you go. Here he is with his glasses on. I think this is the way I'm going to pose him. Here's one last look at Django from Django Unchained, portrayed by Jamie Foxx. The movie was made in 2012. It'll be interesting to see the movie today or soon. Anyway, I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.